Hi everyone, this is Denise from Creates with Love, and I just wanted to hop on really quick in case you're running late for Valentine's Day. I took on a project this year to make 20 Valentine's Day cards for some special ladies who may be alone for Valentine's Day for a local church. So I wanted to share some of them with you, and I'll put some pictures of the rest of them at the end of this video so you can see all of the different varieties. So in all, I think I did 12 different cards or different styles of cards, but ended up making 20 of them. So some I made duplicate or made them very similar. Anyway, so let me just show you real quick what I did, and I'll share all of these files with you. Every one of these were designed in Design Space. So this will not work if you're using a Silhouette or another machine. This is just everything is designed in Design Space with all access fonts and images. And so if you have the Access subscription, you'll be able to access every one of these cards. And I'll store them in my resource library where I store all of my free files. So let me just go ahead and run through these real quick. Also, just to let you know, all of the pinks or the backs, the colors of the cards, these were all done with using Cricut's red shades of color pack. And then I also use some white Cricut paper. And then you'll see some of these printed or designs. These were just picked up randomly at a craft store. I believe it was Michael's. So you can see there, I used some of these designs. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the glare off because my lights are really bright in here. So that's what I use. That's what you'll be seeing. So let me just quickly just show them to you really quick. This isn't a tutorial. It's just you can look at this video and go, I want to make that card. Go to my blog, get the file, and you can just put it together. They're so easy to do. You don't even actually need a tutorial. So here is the first one. I think this design is one of my favorites to do because it reminds me of some of my favorite scrapbook layout pages was the thirds rule, and then putting a heart on it, of course, is very special. And I'll put, like I said, I'll put pictures at the end, so if it's the lights are washing it out, the pictures at the end of the video will show it a little bit better. I just added some baker's twine. I used this is embossed with hearts. I used the Cricut's Cuttlebug to do that. And inside it just says, right here, it says, "You are so very special." And then inside it says, "Happy Valentine's Day." The word Valentine's is done in pink glitter. So in person, I can see it really well, but I'm pretty sure that my video lights are wiping it out. All right, so here's the second one. Now you can see this is very similar, same type of style, but look how different they look with different papers, right? They're so cute. So this one, same thing, says "You are so very special." It's got a little red bow on it and an inside "Happy Valentine's Day" again. All right, so this one, this is actually a design in a card that's already designed in Design Space. All I did was change one of the words. I don't remember which word I changed, but it wasn't fitting for the card. So it says "Amazing here," "You are loved," "Awesome," "We love you," and "Be beautiful." So I just thought that was so cute, and the pen did the rest. And then I used vinyl to do "Let Your Heart Shine." So cute. Okay, and here's another one. This has got 4 hearts. This is all done with Cricut pens. That's all done in glitter, different shades of pink. And again, it says "Let Your Heart Shine" in vinyl. So cute. And this one here is special delivery. I designed this in Design Space. And then it has like the little postal stamp, and then it has 2 hearts and then a heart inside of the stamp. I'm trying to remember. I don't remember. I might have designed this stamp in Adobe Illustrator. I don't recall. If I did, I'll go ahead and include it in the resource library as well, in case you want to use it. And then it says "Sending you so much love." All right. And then this one here is, I love, canning jars are so awesome. It says "so many," and right here it says "Happy Valentine's Day." And so it says "so many," and then you open it up, it says "Hearts of happiness for you today." So cute. I know the lights are kind of washing it out, but just so, so cute. This one here is another canning jar, and it says "Happy Valentine's Day." And it's got different hearts that look like they're inside of the jar. And it says, sending so much love for a special lady. All right. And then here's the last one. It's kind of similar to the very first two that I had, right? But just again, just different paper. I just love this format of making a card. It's so easy and quick. And this is again embossed with the cuddle bug. And it says, you are so very special. And it says, Happy Valentine's Day. All right. So that's it. Super quick. All I did too was I went ahead and I had some red envelopes. I'll link down below in case you want to get some red envelopes, the night kind that you don't have to stick. Make it super easy to get these ready to mail out to these ladies who will be so happy and surprised to get a Valentine this year in the mail. And then also, I want to remind you again, all my files are free in the resource library, so come check them out. And remember to create with love. Also, I was curious if you want, leave me a comment. Which one is your favorite card? I would love to know what is your favorite card. If you want more cards designed, let me know too. I can always do videos on lots and lots of cards. All right, take care. And again, create with love. Bye.